Add more protein and fiber into your diet with this delicious chili lime quinoa salad. First, mix the dressing by combining organic lime zest and juice, extra virgin olive oil, coconut aminos, apple cider vinegar, chili powder, garlic powder, ground coriander, ground turmeric, Himalayan salt or any other mineral salt, and a dash of pepper. Mix until well combined. Massage a few drops of chili lime dressing into the kale to tenderize and season. This helps to increase digestibility and nutrient absorption. Break the kale into bite-sized pieces. In a large serving bowl, add cooked quinoa, chopped cucumber, cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, red onion, and roasted chili lime chickpeas. Add fresh pasture-raised goat cheese and toss in the chili lime dressing. Gently mix until the cheese and veggies are well combined. Then gently stir in the massaged kale. Serve this quinoa salad fresh or chilled. It makes a delicious summer lunch and the perfect side for barbecues, picnics, and summer cookouts.